What's up, everyone? I'm Joe. Appreciate you stopping by the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Have a menthol shave today. Eucalyptus and mint. This was recently restocked, and this is in our V4B base. Matching aftershave. The razor we're going to be going with, RazoRock Hawk. Wanted to keep it, eucalyptus and mint vibes, so green RazoRock Hawk gets the call. Blade, Schick P30 Pro line. These blades are getting harder and harder to find. Brush we're going to be going with just a basic Omega boar brush. Got this soaking in a little hot water here. These brushes are probably one of the best values as far as boar brushes go on the market. These are not expensive and they perform really, really well. We're going to kick things off though with this is our new pre-shave soap. I'm going to use it because I want to show you the difference in this new formula pre-shave soap as opposed to our previous formula pre-shave soap. The previous formula, it did lather up a little bit more, not like a bath soap, but it did produce a little bit more of a lather. This new formula, it's a very, very light lather. It's the consistency, it's more like a lotion feel to it. So you'll get a lather if you work it, but not as quickly as in our previous formula. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about there. So let me just wet my face real quick, and then we'll get right to it. I was out mountain biking this morning, and I did come across something really, really cool. I'm gonna, at the end of this video, I'm gonna throw a video up of what I saw when I was out there. Sometimes mountain biking isn't about the adrenaline, it's about the cool things you see when you're out there. All right, so what I do with this new formula is I'll wet the bar. I'll actually rub it in my hands. Kind of get this going. And you can see you're not getting much of a lather. You're getting more of like a lotion consistency. Right? And then I'll rub that into my face. Now the old one, you can just rub, our old formula, you can just rub that on your face and start working it in and it would jump to a lather. But this one, I find it's easier if I work it a little bit and then put it on like this. And this stuff is obscenely slick. I changed the formula so it's a lot slicker. All right, I think that's good. I definitely need to rinse this off my hands though. This is super, super slick. A lot of formula changes taking place. Now you can see it starts to kind of dissipate. The lather, it's not there, but it's there. So that's one of the things about this particular pre-shave soap. And I do have a Rodak ceramic bowl. This is one of the, I think I've talked about this before. This is one of his older bowls. Get this brush squeezed out here. Okay. And then we'll just get right to it. Our new base has been getting some really, really great reviews. which is really exciting. I mean, you never really know how something's going to be, how it's going to be accepted or received, is what I meant to say. And you've had the same base for so long and so many people are used to it. Sometimes that change makes people a little nervous or a little skeptical, but so far the response has been great, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the way this base turned out. So definitely a thirsty soap, but that's not a bad thing at all. All right, let's get going here. Throwing soap everywhere. And I did put more menthol in the new pre-shave soap than in the previous Menthol Pre-Shave soap. I did put more menthol in this one. You know, this menthol Eucalyptus and Mint soap with menthol is just a classic, you know. Just absolute classic scent combination. Well, this one doesn't have the same menthol hit as Draconis Glacialis, or maybe not even as much as Ice Queen, but this is a really nice menthol kick to it. The eucalyptus and mint essential oils, and then the menthol itself. Love that combination. Bath soap. Bath soap too. No menthol in the bath soap, just the eucalyptus and mint oils. Don't want to get too crazy with the bath soap. All right. Oh, drop my towel. Got a busy day ahead of me today, so got out, did some early morning mountain biking, get the head cleared, get the fitness in. I'll be taking my parents to doctor's appointments. Then I'm going to come back here and get working on some soap stuff. Big day. The hair is just getting out of control, man. These Ship P30 blades. Probably one of my favorite AC blades. AC style blades. Smooth, sharp. Always reliable. I don't think I've ever had a bad shave with one of these blades. But, like I said, getting harder and harder to find. There are some shops that have them. I think when I first started using these blades, I was paying $10 for a box. I mean, this was years ago. But as things, you know, things happen. They get more expensive for shops to get. Prices go up. I think they're close to $25. $25 now. Even this out here. I did do some honing the other day, which was nice. Haven't been honing much, but I did get to do a little honing. Put on some music and just kind of relaxed. So that was good. That was good. I needed that. Second pass is where you really get that menthol. There we go. Hair came out there. One of the best value bore brushes out there. Oh yeah, that menthol's kicking now. I like it. Getting out doing a lot more mountain biking. Getting out there is my advice, and when you see the video that I'm going to put at the end of this, you'll see. The things you see when you're out there. Sometimes just makes you, just forces you to just slow down. Slow down, sit there. And enjoy where you're at. So it was a little bit of a hectic morning, hectic few days getting going. So that was a really nice little treat. Nice little reminder to, it's okay. Oh, that's good. These blades are fantastic. All right. All right, I'm gonna do rinse off, come back, throw on some aftershave, do a little recap, and that'll be that. All right, we're back. Well, Eucalyptus and Mint Menthol Aftershave. Oh. Boom. Yeah. Oh, almost take your breath away a little bit. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. Love it. All right, what do we got? Soap, Eucalyptus and Mint Menthol, matching splash. These are available on our website. Razor. Try this off a little bit. RazoRock Hawk. The Schick P30 Proline blade. Have my Rodak ceramic bowl with a lot of lather, as usual. And basic Omega boar brush, green boar brush. All right, guys, that'll do it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy this little video from my my ride this morning. Hope you enjoy it. Take care. Well, check that out. Out here riding and she's curious. She's definitely curious. That is wild.